BatteryGuy Sealed Lead Acid batteries are market-leading portable power products used in emergency lighting, uninterruptible power supplies, wheelchairs and electric scooters, alarms, trolling motors, and many other applications. So what gives BatteryGuy maintenance-free sealed lead acid batteries their durability, reliability, and long-lasting performance? The answer is in how we make them. We manufacture lead alloy and lead dioxide plates to Battery Council International standards. The lead provides electrical power, while the alloy creates a strong structure for a longer life. Our plates are gridded to maximise the surface area, which optimises their power output capability. Next, we create an active paste of carbon black, barium sulfate, lignosulfonate, and sulfuric acid. These elements are carefully mixed into a near solid plaster-like texture. This paste is applied to each gridded plate and improves discharge and recharge performance, while also adding greater breakage resistance strength. We use absorbed glass mat technology to separate the plates. Absorbed glass mat, or AGM for short, are incredibly thin precision-engineered glass fibres weaved into tough pads. These fiberglass meshes are soaked to saturation point in a sulfuric acid electrolyte, which creates an optimized environment for creating electrical current. The mats virtually eliminate the possibility of internal short-circuiting between the plates and reduce plate buckling and deformations that could otherwise occur during deep cycling. By using fiberglass mat separators, we also increase the energy density of the battery, the amount of power you get per pound of weight. With absorbed glass mat separators, our sealed lead acid batteries don't suffer stratification when acid molecules in the electrolyte fall to the bottom of the case, a phenomena which reduces the lifespan of batteries. The precision-engineered plates and absorbed glass mat separators are inserted into a tough, impact-resistant thermoplastic case lined with a puncture-resistant polyethylene envelope that protects the internal parts even at low temperatures. The case and lid are then heat-sealed to create an airtight internal environment and a completely maintenance-free battery. The sealed case and absorbed glass mat technology make it possible to use our batteries mounted at angles with no risk of damaging acid leaks. This construction also results in a battery with excellent vibration and shock-resistant properties. And what's more, even if your battery was to be damaged in a collision, the acid stays firmly inside, allowing you to remove and dispose of the unit with minimum hassle and maximum safety. But we don't stop there. We know charging equipment or the appliance the battery powers can malfunction, and when they do, it can lead to a build-up of gases inside, which could cause fires or explosions. To make sure this doesn't happen to you, our sealed lead acid batteries are fitted with one-way rubber relief valves. This valve-regulated environment allows dangerous high-pressure gases to escape and disperse harmlessly. For maximum safety, our valves are engineered to let gases out, but stop air or other impurities getting in. But we're not done yet. Next, we maximise the power potential of the technology we use inside with quality terminals outside. Tin-plated brass fasten tabs, copper wire lead connectors, heavy-duty lead alloy flag terminals, or tin-plated brass post terminals, depending on the model. These specially selected materials are designed to maximise electrical conductivity, while also providing corrosion-resistant properties for a long and optimal service life. Finally, our battery amp-hour ratings are measured using the true industry standard 20-hour test, and we provide a full technical specification sheet detailing the performance of every model we supply, alongside comprehensive safety data. BatteryGuy Sealed Lead Acid batteries. Quality materials and quality construction equals a long service life with outstanding performance.